Are you tired of the same old weight loss strategies that seem to hit a dead end? If you're on a mission to transform your body and shed unwanted fat, you're in for a treat. We will be diving deep into the world of nutrition to reveal the ultimate meal plan that will supercharge your fat loss journey. Get ready to learn some valuable tips and tricks that will not only help you lose weight, but also keep you satisfied and energized throughout the day. Whether you're a nutrition aficionado or just starting your wellness journey, you're likely familiar with the calories in versus calories out concept for weight loss. But guess what? There's more to the story than just numbers on a scale. Today, we're delving into the intricate dance between calories, food quality, and meal timing. Buckle up, because we're about to unveil the secrets to losing fat faster without sacrificing taste or enjoyment. Get ready to embark on a journey of 3 transformative swaps that will turbocharge your fat loss goals. Our first stop, the world of unprocessed foods. Say goodbye to heavily refined and processed options, and welcome the nutrient-packed heroes like oats and multigrain bread into your life. Not only do these swaps provide your body with essential nutrients, but they also boast a hidden weapon called the thermic effect of food. Translation: your body burns more calories just digesting these gems. Hold on, I've got scientific evidence to back this up. Picture this: 2 sandwiches, same calories, one brimming with whole grains and real cheese, the other featuring white bread and processed cheese. The twist? Your body burns significantly more calories breaking down the wholesome sandwich. This isn't just some random theory. Research has confirmed that choosing whole grains like oats and brown rice can actually help you burn an extra 100 calories every day. That's like jogging an additional mile daily. Yes, calories matter, but here's where the magic happens. By opting for less processed foods, you're giving your metabolism a natural boost. And the best part? It's all backed by scientific research. So let the power of nutrient-rich foods work their magic and amp up your fat loss journey. But we're not stopping there. Brace yourself for a game-changing meal distribution strategy. It turns out that front-loading your calories, allocating more to your breakfast, can be a game-changer. Imagine fewer cravings, heightened energy levels, and increased fat burning throughout the day. This isn't just a far-fetched idea. Recent studies have validated these benefits. As someone who's personally experienced this shift, I can attest to the increased energy and reduced cravings. A win-win. Now, still with me? Fantastic! Now let's explore the secret weapon of satiety, the key to managing those hunger pangs. It's all about choosing foods that keep you full and satisfied longer. Enter the Satiety Index, a guide that reveals the power of certain foods in controlling appetite. Swapping your regular bread for oats or white rice for whole grain pasta can make a world of difference in managing your hunger and staying on track. Are you ready for the grand reveal? Let's walk through a full day of delicious, fat loss-focused meals. Keep in mind that these portions can be adjusted based on your individual needs. Start your day strong with protein-packed pancakes topped with peanut butter and sautéed apples. Lunchtime brings baked salmon, boiled potatoes, and sautéed asparagus. For a midday pick-me-up, enjoy an orange and a protein shake. Wind down with baked chicken and veggies for dinner, followed by a satisfying Greek yogurt parfait. And here's a little bonus from me to you. I'm offering a free ebook titled Midlife Weight Loss that dives deep into strategies to conquer weight loss challenges during this phase of life. The link to the ebook is in the description below. So start this journey with the practical strategies inside my ebook and give yourself clear guidance you can actually follow to get real results. Thank you for joining me today. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness content. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. As always, if you have any questions or want to share your experiences with optimizing your health journey or any other aspect of your well-being, feel free to leave a comment. Thank you for tuning in, stay motivated, stay dedicated to your health goals, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.